Hi friends, my name is Deshna. I'm going to show you a slime trick today. So here is a slime now, and here you can see a little bit of slime. It's going to come another a little bit of slime. So I'm going to close the lid, and I'm going to tap at least 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see the
Oh my
another
God.
little bit of slime came. So see. Okay, how it came? You were wondering. So this is a full. This is a total of slime. So take a little piece and put in the cap little bit of slime. It has to be space, okay? Little bit of space. So and remaining slime put in the box, okay? And don't show this like I have this, okay? So tell that you have. See, now I have a little bit of slime. Now it's going to come another little bit of slime, okay? And you say, I'm going to close the lid now, and it's going to come. And you say, I'm going to tap at least 5 times. You count, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 5 after. You have to keep your hand closely like this and tap it so no one can see, okay? Please subscribe
Thank
my
you.
channel, share, like.